Oh my God, listeners. You won't believe the seismic shifts happening in the global construction industry right now. If you're in the business or thinking about investing, trust me, these insights are going to blow your mind and potentially turbocharge your strategy. Let's dive in. First up, the United States. Construction spending has hit a jaw-dropping $219 trillion annually as of December 2024. Yes, you heard that right. Private construction alone surged by 5.6%, and here's the kicker. Housing is back, reversing last year's slumps with a 5.9% rebound. Oh, and manufacturing facilities, a staggering $233 billion in annual investment. But wait, there's more. The labor market is sizzling hot. Unemployment claims in construction are at their lowest since 2024, meaning businesses are hiring fast. Translation? This market is primed for growth. If you're not eyeing the US sector right now, you may miss one of the biggest opportunities for 2025. Now let's cross the Atlantic into Europe, where things get a little murkier. The Eurozone's construction PMI is crawling at 42.5, still in contraction territory, though it's slightly better than before. Housing is the weakest link, and the once steady giants, Germany and France, are now dragging the numbers down. But here's the silver lining. Raw material prices are tempering, which could stabilize margins in the near term. Investors, tread carefully, but don't discount recovery pockets, like Italy, which is showing faint but promising growth signs. Heading east to China, the headlines are bold and baffling. The construction PMI slipped to 49.3, below the 50 mark, signaling contraction. Yet, there's a twist only China could deliver, a colossal 3 trillion yuan injection through special bonds aimed at boosting infrastructure. And don't overlook their rural revitalization plan, targeting massive infrastructure activity in less developed areas. For those playing the macro game, China's government-driven projects could quietly lead to strong returns, even in a cooling overall market. And then there's South Korea, a steady performer with construction investment up 3.5% year-on-year, hitting 269 trillion won in 2024. Equipment utilization is rising too, reaching nearly 79%. With GDP projected to grow by 2.1% this year, South Korea's construction sector is gearing up for sustainable, incremental gains. For risk-averse investors, this market could be your safe haven. Now, let me hit you with some global trends shaping the future of construction. Green building isn't just a trend, it's a tidal wave. Sustainability is being demanded like never before, with energy-efficient, eco-friendly designs becoming the golden standard. If your portfolio doesn't include companies innovating in this space, you're falling behind. Then we've got tech revolutionizing the game, from AI to building information modeling, construction robotics, to 3D printing. Technology is transforming efficiency and profit margins. Even in markets battling labor shortages, automation is stepping up to fill the gap. And let's not forget, we're also seeing explosive growth in data center construction, forecast to grow at 13.1% annually through 2029. This is the infrastructure of the digital age, people. Eyes on it. And finally, a wildcard from the interior design world. If you think this doesn't matter, think again. Interior design plays an important role in renovation returns. The hottest trend for 2025? A return to nature with warm, earthy tones like Pantone's Mocha Mousse taking center stage. This aligns perfectly with the move towards sustainable, personalized spaces. Whether you're flipping properties or investing in building materials, take this under consideration. So what's the bottom line? Across the board, we're seeing markets diverge. Booming growth in the US, cautious recovery in Europe, policy-driven potential in China, and steady stability in Korea. Green construction, digitalization, and tailored spaces are the trifecta reshaping the industry. Savvy investors who lean into these trends will emerge stronger, smarter, and richer. That's it from me today. Short, sharp, and packed with actionable insights. Don't just sit on this information, use it. Oh, and one last thing. Next time someone tells you construction is a boring sector, point them to the trillions swirling around the globe and ask them if their portfolio can afford to ignore it. Catch you in the next episode.